In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drop shadow to text in Affinity Photo 2. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical so you can get a clean, professional shadow that enhances your design without overpowering it. Start by creating your text. Select the text tool from the toolbar, click on your canvas, and type what you need. When you're done, make sure the text layer itself is selected in the Layers panel. This is important. Layer effects apply to whichever layer is highlighted, so double-check you're working on the correct one before moving on. Next, open the layer effects, sometimes labeled Quick FX. You can do this in two ways. Either click the small FX icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, or use the Effects or Quick FX section on the right-hand studio. Either option brings up the effects for your selected text layer, and you'll see a list of styles you can enable. Turn on Outer Shadow. In Affinity Photo 2, that's the name for a drop shadow. Once you check it, the default shadow appears immediately. From here, the magic is in the settings. Choose a shadow color, usually black or a very dark gray. If your background is light, a neutral dark works great. On dark backgrounds, you might try a softer, slightly colored shadow for a more natural look. Adjust opacity to control strength. Higher values are bolder. Lower values are more subtle. Aim for readability without creating harsh edges. Use radius to soften the shadow. A small radius gives a crisp edge, which can look sharp but sometimes artificial. Increasing the radius creates a gentle blur that helps the text sit naturally in the scene. Offset determines how far the shadow is pushed away from the text, and angle sets the direction, as if there's a light source casting it. Keep your angle consistent if you have multiple elements in a design so everything feels cohesive. If you prefer a more visual approach, use the Offset tool to drag the shadow directly on the canvas. It's a quick way to position the shadow by eye and then fine-tune in the panel. Take a moment to tweak until it looks right. Zoom out to check overall balance, then zoom in to confirm clarity around the edges. Toggle the effect on and off to compare. The great part is that layer effects are non-destructive, so you can revisit and adjust them anytime as your design evolves. And that's it. Clean, controllable drop shadows in Affinity Photo 2, done the right way.